Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Wix website, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Wix website, begin by logging into your Wix account at www.wix.com. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the Sites section and click on it. Select the website you want to activate from the list. Next, click on the Publish button located in the top right corner. A prompt will appear, confirming that you want to publish your site. Click on Publish again to proceed. You will be provided with a Wix domain and an option to connect a custom domain. If using a custom domain, select Connect a Domain and follow the prompts to set it up. Complete the necessary steps to configure your domains. Once your domain is connected, ensure all site elements and pages are functioning correctly. Preview your site by clicking on the Preview button. Check for any design or content adjustments that may be needed. After confirming everything is in order, return to the dashboard. To finalize your activation, revisit the Publish button. This will ensure your website is officially live on the internet. Celebrate your newly activated Wix website and start sharing it with the world. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.